Okay. Good morning, everyone. So today's session is practical session. So I think सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे ना कसं रन करायचं. Everybody know how to run the program and how to install the software and how to run the program in the software steps. Everybody know the steps. Those who are present, they know the step how to run the program. How to run the program. Everybody know that how to run the program. Then we will go to the next experiments are there. See, this is the manual. Last two practicals we are doing the 8085 programs are there. By using 8085 simulator is there. By using 805 simulator we are discussing the 16-bit 8-bit addition, 16-bit addition, 8-bit subtraction and 16-bit subtraction by using 8085. This is the first practical we have done. After that we have go to the next software, which is software is the Keil software is there. In that Keil software we are discussing the how to install the Keil software, then how to run the program in by using the Keil software is there. So here we are discussing the 8-bit subtraction, then I think subtraction and addition we have done in last practical, how to add two numbers and how to subtract the two numbers of 8-bit and 16 bits. Today we are discussing the experiment number 4 here. What subtraction also we have done. In multiplication, I think remaining is the multiplication is there. So we have discussed the multiplication remaining. See, here is the program is there. Okay, so I think everybody's seen this one. Already I have opened the project. In that project, I am doing all the steps regarding that project is there. Then I'm directly save the program here. It is move a comma b, move a 05 and b 03 is there, and by using multiplication ab. See the difference between multiplication and add. So I'm going to save this program, then debug, sorry, first build the program by using this build option. Build program, here is the target, there is a x data and no errors are there, and warning also a 0 is there. So to run the program, go to the debug and start and stop debug is there. Okay, see, here is the instructions. Step by step we are going to execute the instruction. See, first move a 05 comma a. So you have to transfer the 05 into the accumulator is there. You have to transfer the 05 into the accumulator is there. Then we are going to transfer the 03 into register B is there, and you have to multiply A and B. I'm telling at the time of the instruction session that when you are doing the multiplication and division, we have to use the register is the B register, because in previous programs you are using the register R1, R0, R5, R7, which are present in your bank 0 is there, because by default bank 0 is there. But here for multiplication and division, we have to use the registers A and B is there. Okay, so higher if the multiplication is of the 8-bit is there, multiplication of the 8-bit is there, but result is not 8-bit, maybe it result may be a 16-bit is there, it may be a result is a 16-bit is there. So higher bit is stored into the accumulator and lower bit is stored into the where lower bit is stored into the register B is there. So here see 05 is there, 0FH is the result which is stored into the accumulator. This is the only which one is 9 to 3 is 15 and 15 is a 0 F is there, 0 F is stored into the F. It is 8-bit multiplication is there. It is 8-bit multiplication is there. So we'll discuss how to run this. Here is the registers are there, R0, R1. We are not using these registers, bank 0. Here we are using only two registers are there, A and B register is there. We are using only A and B register is there. Okay, so A register is contain value 05 and B register is contain value of 03. See, step by step execution is there. Step by step execution by using the F11 is there. See, F11 is there. What is the value of A is there? So it is the value of A is goes to the 05 is there. The value of A is 05 is there. After that B is contain a value 03 is there. So A into B, The multiplication is 15. Here is MUL, AB is there. So here is the 5 into 3 is the 15 is there. So result will be store 15 in accumulator is there. Result is store 15 with 0f into the accumulator. See the instruction we have written in add. See the instructions. When you are using the add, what you have to do? You are using add a comma b is there. Understood? But here a and b are connected together. Remember these things. When you, if there is a practical examination and you have to write down the program multiplication by using KL software, everybody write a same program, but they are using like this instruction. This instruction is not present in your 8051. 8051 is content. The instruction is multiplication a b. A and b are connected togetherly. Remember these things. Remember this thing. This is the instruction very important for your, if practical examination will be done by using clear software. Multiple instruction is the a b is there. Multiple instruction is the a and b is there. Okay. So see. See, if I'm giving the instruction is suppose 8 giving 8, what will be happen? Save the program, debug, start and stop. So first build the program, save the program, then build the program. Then you will get the 8 and 5 is there. So here debug, start and stop. Okay. So here is the F11. You will get A is the 8 is there. Okay. And B is getting 3. 8 into 3 is 24. Okay. C. A is multiplication is 1 8 and B is also 0 0 0. If I am increasing the data, if I am giving 8 into 8, it is the value of hexes. So you have to convert this value into the hex is there. 8 into 8 is there. Just I want to show this. The value which is stored into the A and B is there. 16-bit register is there. So first save the program, then build the program. After that, debug. Okay. Then go to the F11. A is contain 8. B is contain 8 is there. 8 into 8 is 64 is there. 64 is not 8-bit data is there. It is 16-bit data. So it is divided into the A and B is there. Okay. It is divided to the A and B is there. Okay. So you have the 64 is converted into the 40 is there in the hex value. Then you will get the answer is the A and B is there. You will get the answer is the A and B is there. Okay. 40 B मध्ये 0 0 व्हॅल्यू परत वाढवावी लागेल आपल्याला. Just I want to increase the value for 16-bit data. 0 0 घेऊयात आपण. Then you will get the data 16-bit is there. Just check 0 घेतोय. FF घेऊ FF 0 0 16-bit data येईल ना. पाहू आपण आन्सर येते. Just build the program, save the program, debug. So EN1 is there. Again, the return is E1 is there. Required alternate. Just take the value of FF is there. So 11. Save debug nothing. Save. Up to 10 we require the 16-bit, so it is not stored into your Okay, 51 is the 8-bit data is there. त्याला हे करावं लागेल. वी हॅव टू यूज द 16-bit रजिस्टर्स आर देअर. त्यासाठी आपला दोन वेगवेगळे रजिस्टर वापरून करावं लागेल ए आणि बी ला. कारण कसं होईल ते आपल्याला अप टू द 8-bit पर्यंत डेटा ए आणि बी मध्ये काय होते स्टोअर होते. जर आपण 09 किंवा 0F घेतलं इट विल गो द एरर इज देअर. सी द एरर इज गिवन. बघा तुम्ही नीट मी तुम्हाला दाखवते सम प्रॉब्लेम्स. इथं आपण ज्यावेळेस 09 घेतोय ज्यावेळेस आपण इथं 0A घेऊ. सी द एरर इज गिवन. सेव्ह द प्रोग्राम built 0A पर्यंत again 0A is there, so save. Okay, so you will go to the, just see the answer is there. Again answer I think 8-bit is there. (64) is there. Answer is up to the 8-bit is there. Okay, we go to the next. Just 16-bit addition multiplication I will see in next lecture. So next is the write a program to 8-bit numbers using 805 microcontroller. Okay, 8-bit numbers arithmetic operation is the division is there. We have to use the division is there. Same program 05 and 03. Okay, so here 05 and 03, what is the output? A is contain a quotient and B is contain a remainder. Understood? A is contain a quotient and B is contain remainder. A मध्ये काय भागाकार आपला राहतो आणि B मध्ये काय राहते जी काय बाकी असेल ते आपल्याला B मध्ये राहते. ठीक आहे. सो A is equal to 05 and B is equal to 03. A is equal to 05 and B is equal to 03 is there. मग फक्त आपण काय डिव्हिजन A B केलं की आपल्याला A मध्ये if there is an online examination, you must remember where is the quotient is value. Quotient is stored into the accumulator and remainder is stored into the register B. At the time of the online examination question, these type of questions are asked. Please see this. In multiplication A and B, higher bit are stored into the A and lower bit is stored into the B is there. Higher bit is stored into the A and lower bit is stored into the B is there. And in your remainder division, quotient is stored into the accumulator and remainder is stored into the B is there. So first we copy this. ORG नाही करायचं. ठीक है. See, this is the move. Everybody understand the program. Now programming समजते ना, those who are present. I think present is increased. So if you have any difficulty, here is one. If you have any difficulty, ask me how to write the program. Are you understand? Hello, are you understand how to write the program?
Yes, sir.
म्हणजे प्रोग्राम कसं लिहायचं ते महत्वाचं आहे बरं का. देर इज नो यूज ऑफ हाऊ टू रन द प्रोग्राम बिकॉज युअर थर्ड इयर स्टुडंट्स within 1 second you can understand how to run the program is there. There is no matter. You can learn a lot of software by using your mobile also. Lots of apps you are using using mobile is there. So steps to run the program, it's very easy. Everyone can understand how to run the program by using the steps. But you must understand how to write the program is very important. How to write the program is very important. Where you have to use the instructions are there and how these instructions are used. It's very important. ते महत्वाचं आहे की प्रोग्राम कसा राहायचा. आता आपल्याला प्रोग्राम काय सांगितलं बघा. आपण जस्ट प्रोग्राम काय सांगितलं बघा. राईट ALP टू डिवाइड टू 8-bit numbers. हाऊ थिंकिंग विल बी डन. आपण घेतलेलं आपण ऑलगोरिदम पण बघितलं थोडासा. बरेच जे विद्यार्थी त्यांना समजणार आपण बघू. See what is the program? Write ALP to divide two 8-bit numbers using arithmetic operation of 805. First, what is the program? You have to use the program of divide of two numbers, but by using which? 805. Remember these things. 805. There is no C programming. There is no 8085. This is by 805. So if any program of any language, first you have to write down the algorithm of that program. This algorithm is important. This algorithm of program is important. What is the algorithm? Is there algorithm is what? You can write down the program steps by in your English word. Algorithm is what? You have to write down the steps in your English word, which program you have to execute is there. And then you have to go to the symbolically means flowchart is there. Symbolically means flowchart is, and I'm not right, doing the symbolic is there. So here first, what is the operator? Two numbers. So first you have to take a value of in register A. Okay. Other second number you have to take a register in B. This is the second step is there. Third, divide the number A and B, and then store a result in register A and in the program is there. So this is the algorithm first you have to write down. So this is the algorithm first you have to write down. After that, choose the instructions which is required to write each and every line of the algorithm. Choose the instruction which are present in your 8051 to write down the algorithm. So first, what is the algorithm of first? Take a one number into the register. मग त्यासाठी आपल्याला कुठली instruction आहे, which instruction required for that? मग त्यासाठी आपली instruction कुठला आहे? move instruction आहे. ओके. आता मूव इन्स्ट्रक्शन मध्ये पण भरपूर आहे. मूव इन्स्ट्रक्शन मध्ये आपण रजिस्टर मध्ये ऍड करू शकतो. मूव इन्स्ट्रक्शन मध्ये आपण by using location you have to add the number is there, but here which addressing mode we have to use? Then you have to think which addressing mode we have to use: immediate addressing mode, direct addressing mode, indirect addressing mode. You have to choose the addressing mode from where you have to take the instruction is there. So for that purpose we have to use the addressing mode is there. Here I am directly taking the number into the accumulator. So here I am writing move a comma hash 05h. I am writing the instruction move a comma hash 05h. What is the meaning is that here is the immediate addressing mode, means what? Your 5 is directly a value. 5 is directly value. If I am writing like this, in next lecture we are discussing the program related to your how to take the input from the memories there. Here I am writing a 05h is there. Here I am writing a 05h is there. It is the location where the value is stored. It is the location where the value is stored and move to the accumulator is there. Here is the location where 05, and at that location the value is transferred to the accumulator. But here I am writing the hash is there. Here I am writing the hash is there. Hash means what? It is immediate addressing mode, and in that immediate addressing mode you transfer the value of 05 into the accumulator. You transfer the value of 05 into the accumulator there. So thinking is like this: first write down the algorithm and think which instruction is required to execute that first line of your algorithm is there. Next is another value is taken into register B is there. So take move a comma b 03h. Directly I am taking the next value into the accumulator there. The last step is there, divide the number. Divide, then what is the use of that divide? You have to use divide a comma a b is there, not comma, divide a b is there. Instruction is we have to use divide a b is there. So this is the instruction. Then you have to divide the values of a and b. Okay, divide the value of a and b and then end is there. If I don't have the 8051, if I am having the which one? Suppose I'm having the C programming and I'm saying write down the program of divide the two numbers. So what is the thinking is there? First is take the value of the register A, but here in your 805 in C program there is no register A. So first you have to give the A comma B is the what is the A comma B? A comma is the data types. A comma B is the data types, and where you have to put A is equal to 5 directly. A is equal to 5 directly. Okay, this is the way to write down in C programming. And if it is here, if I am writing next b is equal to where b is equal to 3 is there. Okay, directly you have to take the number, then divide a comma b, then you have to take another value, another data types, sorry, another variable c, and you have to write down a comma b is there. Okay, and then you have to store the result in a, but here is not register a b is there, there is no register, so you write down the command is printf is there and write down the program is there. Okay, so this is the way to which software we have to use, and which in which language you have to write the program. You have to thinking the algorithm like this. You are thinking the steps which are used in algorithm to execute the instructions are there. Okay, so understood how to thinking is done. So first you have to take the register, then in C program, but we are not using the C program, we are using the 8051. So first you have to know the all the instructions are present in 8051. तुम्हाला त्यासाठी तुम्हाला काय पहिली तुमची रिक्वायरमेंट काय आहे की तुम्हाला पहिल्यांदा काय माहिती पाहिजे ऑल इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स. सो the person who's having logic is developed, the person is having logic developed, he can done any program, any language program within a, or he can learn any language within a 1 month is there. He can learn any language in within month is there, but his logic must be developed, and logic is developed when your thinking will be done is there. When if you improve the thinking is there, then your logic will be done is there. So in controller or processor, you must know, if you give any instruction to the processor, how he react. Logic means what? If you give any instruction to that and how he react after that instruction, it's very, very important. If you understand these things, then it's very easy to, means you have to communicate with your PC, you have to communicate with your processor, you have to communicate with your controller. When you communicate with them, then you can communicate with them, then you will get the answers from them. See, Manta, the PC is always right. If your instructions are wrong, it will give a wrong output is there. He's only obey your instructions are there. Okay, समजलं. म्हणजे आपण machine is only obey your instructions are there. Okay, so you must communicate with them, and how output we required from them, such instructions you have to give them, and as give them series wise instructions such a way that your output will be getting. So understand. So this is the way. So first you have to, any program, first you have to write down the algorithm of that program, and then you will go to the instructions of that program or a syntax of that program, in which language you have to write down the program is there. त्यामुळे लॉजिक डेव्हलप करायचं. लॉजिक डेव्हलप करण्यासाठी you have to do the lot of programs are there. If you don't have time to write down the programs, if you have software, then you can see if you are giving the instructions, different instructions, then how he react is there, what it is, his output is there. If you doing such a things are there, then your logic will be developed. ज्या ज्या वेळेस तुम्हाला एखादी instructions लिहिले, आपण ती instruction जर आपण बदल करून लिहिली, चेंज करून लिहिली, तर आउटपुट काय येते, what processor will be react, then ते जर तुम्हाला कळालं, then you can understand, you can improve your logic is there. ते तुम्हाला समजलं पाहिजे. त्यासाठी तुम्हाला काय केलं पाहिजे, प्रॅक्टिस केलं पाहिजे. यू मस्ट बाय युजिंग एनी सॉफ्टवेअर, यू हॅव टू मेक प्रॅक्टिस ऑन दॅट, देन यू विल गेट द प्रॉपर आउटपुट अँड यू कॅन डेव्हलप युअर लॉजिक इज दॅट. ओके, त्यामुळे कुठे पण सॉफ्टवेअर शिकवताना एव्हरीबडी teach the language of the C programming is that, because in C programming you require a lot of instructions are there to execute the programs, because in advanced programming language or advanced languages are there required few instructions to execute the program. See, in your C processor or microcontroller, we require more instructions to write such a programs are there. We require more instructions to write such a programs are there, but we are go to the advanced language, we require a less instructions are there. So it's very, very important to learn this low level language, then you can develop your logic easier. That's why if you understand the 8051 control, you can learn any controller, ARM controller, Arduino is there, or different controllers are there, you can understand is there. So just go to the programs there. So divide a comma b is there. Just I am going to save the program and build the program. So here is the target 0, code is the 0 is there. Okay, run the program, debug, start and stop. See, step by step. Why I'm giving every time step by step instructions are there, because you can understand the logic of your 8051, and you must remember all the left side there is a project workspace is there and resistance value. You must remember all these things. It is very important in your online examination. If there is an online examination of your final exam is there, then you must know this. See, these R0 to R7 are the 8 registers are there. Those are not present. I already explained this. If this is the initial value of this R00, then this is the sorry, this is accumulator is there, this is a register B is there. Then stack pointer is having a reset value is 07. It's very important question asked at the time of the online examination is there. See, all the registers, all the A and B registers, all the states, all are present with the all were reset with the 00, but only a stack pointer is having a value 07. Stack pointer is only having a value 07. You must remember this thing at the time of your examination is there. Then data pointer and program counter, these are the 16 bits. Data pointer and program counter, DPTR is data pointer, PC is a program counter, both are the 16 bit. Whole R00 means it is 8 bit. You can understand each 0 is required a 4 bit and this 0 is required a 4 bit, so 8 bits are there. Then another is the program status code we are discussing at the time of the instructions are there, parity flag, overflow flag, then accumulator, auxiliary carry and carry flag is there. We are discussing this is the program status what is there. Okay, in your 8085 you can say as a flag register, but in your 8051 it is called a program status what is. So you must compare with if you learn in advanced processor or advanced microcontroller is that you must compare this processor or microcontroller with previous one. Then you can understand what are the differences or what are the different things required, what are the different things are required, or what are the changes they are manufacturer is made, and what programming will be easy is there, what are the instructions are there. This I'm saying in your 8051 and in 8085 what they are doing, all the instructions related to the accumulator. If you rotate the number, you have to add the number, you have to multiply the number, you have to make the ending of number, all these things are related to your, which it is related to your accumulator is there. So this drawback is removed in your advanced processor, maybe ARM processor. In advanced microcontroller processor you can rotate anywhere in any register, you can add in any register is there. So this is advanced processors are there when you go to the PLC or all these things. So see the programs are there. So after 5 divided by 3, then you will get 5 divided by 3 means what, quotient is 1 and you will get remainder is the 2 is there. So see the here A is contain of 5, then B is contain a 3 is there. A is contain 5, B is contain 3, then divide AB is there, then give divide AB is there. So you will get AB is there, A is goes to the 1 and B is goes to the 2 is there. After the divide AB instruction will be execute is there. See when A is goes to the 1 and B is goes to the 2 is there. Okay, A is goes to 1 and 2 is becomes a 1 is there. Here they are giving the parity flag is 1 is there because for 1 2 1 are the parity flag means is goes to the 1 is there. So here is the A is given 1 and B is the 2 is there. Understood? If I am changing the numbers are then see 4 4 2 is, if I'm writing 4 and 2 is there. So you will get answer is the quotient is 4, remainder is the 0. See one thing should be remembered, when you make a changes in your program, first you have to save this program. First I have to save this program. And if I am directly go to the project, what will happen? See start and project. He shows previous number 05 and 03. He is not shows the 08 and 02. Why? Because when you run the program, when debug program, the list file will be generated. Here list file is generated of the text one, but previous list file is generated. It is not a list file of the this register because I am not build the program. When you build the program, then these changes you have to made in the program will be converted into the files. I am discussing these files, list file, obj file, abs files, different files you are discussing. So first you have to save the program, and if you go to the debug the program, then this value will not be shown in your debugging. Why? Because your program name is text1. Your program name is, I think text1 is there. Your file name is text1 is there, but you are not build the program so that the previous list file, previous debug files will be shown in the like shown in the values is there. So first when you make a changes, then you build the program, then you build the program, then whole changes will be made is there. Okay, build the program is there, and then go to the project and go to the debug and start and stop debug is there. Okay, then you will get the answer is there 08 02 and divide AB. Okay, you will get 08 is here and 02 is here after debugging the program is there. So see step by step execution. F11 08 B 02 02 into 4 is there. So you'll get the answer is 4 and B is the 0 is there. So this is the programming of the कुठला प्रोग्राम स्टेटस वर्ड आहे. प्रोग्राम स्टेटस मध्ये पॅरिटी फ्लॅग काय केलाय 1 दाखवला. हा पॅरिटी फ्लॅग आहे, आन्सर म्हणजे हेक्स व्हॅल्यू आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये इवन नंबर ऑफ वन्स आहेत. आपण तिथे हेक्स व्हॅल्यू जर लिहिली 4 ची 04 म्हणजे काय 100 आणखीन आपला हा खालचा 0 म्हणजे पॅरिटी फ्लॅग काय दाखवलं 1 दाखवलं. ऑड नंबर ऑफ वन्स आर देयर. ठीक आहे. Those who are not present in practical session, just I am giving again how to run the software and how to create a project file is there. Okay, close project. See in your Kale software is there. Here is a Kale micro visions 3 is there. Okay, Kale software is there. Then just I'm those who are not present, just I'm giving the step by step. Please see this. बघा फक्त मी काय करतोय ते. Project, new project, give the name of the project is just I am giving the XYZ or sample is given SMPLE. Remember that this is the project file of .uv extension is there. Then save this. Then go to the Atmel. Atmel is the name of the company who manufactures the 80989C15. Then go to the 89C51. Then OK. Here is the no is there. Then you are going file, new file. You have to write down the program here. Okay. Then file, save the file. After that save, you give the name of the program is there. Suppose I am giving division dot asm, just giving the name of the assemble file, so dot asm. Save this. Okay, so this is the division asm is the name of the file. Then after that you have to add this file into this source group. Right click on that, add a file to the group. Source group is there. Here is go to the all files. The name of the file is the division is there. Here is asm is there. Then add this file, close this. Then after that you have to debug the program, same, and we are discussing the start and stop. Okay, I think everybody understood. Those are not present, those are last four last lectures. So this is the way how to run the program. All the programs are first two practicals are related to the 8085, and then these are the case surprise. So we will go to the next practical is there. So this experiment logical operations we have to done. Just see, write a AL to perform all logical operation in two 8-bit numbers. Logical operations आपण one by one discuss. त्यासाठी मी एक logical operation दाखवतो कसं आहे ते. See, same, take the value of numbers, then other value in register R0, and then perform the AND or NAND NOR XOR XNOR. Store the result in the accumulator is there. Okay, this is the program. दिसत नाही तर मी जरा थोडंसं आपण वेगळ्या ह्याच्यावरती घेऊया. Okay, this the program is there. See, logical operations are just we are discussing logical operations. Logical operation is the ANDing, ORing, then XOR, XNOR, those are present. See, just we are discussing first, then you can understand all the remainings are there. So first is the AN means you have to ANDing the accumulator with register R1 means value present in accumulator and value present in R1. These two instructions are common instructions we were discussing previously. First, we have to take the value of 01 into the accumulator and 21 into the R1 register is there. So 01, how to write down the 01? This is the 0, you write like this, and this is the 1 is there in your binary form. You know that 0 and 1 is there. Here hex you have to write down, you know that how to write down the hex to binary is there. You have to convert that each value into the 4-bit is there. Each digit, you can say each digit is converted to the 4 bits are there. So here is the 4 0 and this is the 1 is there. This is 0 1 is there. Here is the 2 and here is the 1 is there. 2 1 is there. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to do the ANDing. ANDing means what I'm writing here, formula is there. If your the formula is like this, A into B is there. This is the formula for the which gate, AND gate is there. This is the formula for the AND gate is there. You have to multiply A into B. You have to multiply the A into B. This is the formula for the AND gate is there. So here when input of A is 0, B is 0, your output is 0 because multiplication of 0 0 is 0. Then multiplication of 0 into 1 is again 0. Multiplication of 0 into 1 is again 0. Then multiplication of 1 into 0 is again 0. Multiplication of 1 into 0 is again 0. And then multiplication of 1 into 1 is 1 is there. Multiplication of 1 into 1 is 1 is there. Same logic we have to use in above is there. See here when you, this is the 0 and this is the 1 is there. This is 0 and this 1 is there. This is 2 and this is a 1 is there. You have to give the multiplication of these two. So it is 1 1, you will get answer is 1. 1 1, you will get answer is 1 is there. Then 0 0, your answer is 0. 0 0, your answer is 0. 0 0, your answer is 0. Then 0 1, your answer is 0. 0 1, your answer is 0. 0 0, answer is 0. 0 0. So you will get answer is 0 1 is there. You will get the answer is 0 1 is there. Okay, first we'll see this program will run or not, then we'll change the values there. We are going to change the values there. So just copy this program. Your answer should be a 0 1 is there. Please try this program in your home. When you have PC, download the Keil software is there and then see these programs. How to see this program and execute these programs are there in your at your home is there. So please download the software of Keil and see to how to run this program is there. If you have any difficulty, then ask me. Okay, so see this is the program is there, then save this same file. I am going to use division is there. Then you have to build the program is there. Just first I want to come out from this debug option is there. Then here is the, I'm going to save this file, then debug this file. Okay, there is a data code and code. There is no data 0 is there and no code is there. Okay, so step by step execution. See F11, A is contain a 01, B is contain 21. Sorry, here not B, I'm using R1 is there, and then ANL A comma R1, you will get A is the 01 is there. And you have to move this value to the R2. R2 is goes to the 01 is there. Okay, so you will get the answer is 01 is here. Our logic is right. Suppose if I am writing the in program, here A is 21, here I am giving, suppose B. Here I am giving writing the B is there. So see what will happen is there. Save the program and build the program. See what is the error is there. What error? Invalid register. Here is the invalid register. Means what? When you are doing the ANDing operation, when you are doing the logical operation, you must use the accumulator. You must use the accumulator. Here I am, which I am using register B. Suppose I am using another register. Suppose I am here using R2 register is there. Oh, sorry, R2 is already used. R3 registers are there. and here I am writing the R3 is there. So you have to ending this R3 with R1. You are ending with R3 with R1 is there. Okay, you are ending with R3 with R1 is there. So if save this program and I am going to build the program, again he gives the same error is there. Understood? So you must know that this error invalid register. See the error invalid register, syntax error is there. Invalid register is there, means you are doing the ending operation, but you are doing the ending operation with invalid register. The register we have to use R3 or B is not a register which you have to do the ending is there. So for that purpose, what we have to do, you have to remove this R3 with accurate. This is the limitation of 8051. You must know the limitations of every controller. Everyone have a limitations. Every person, every controller, every hardware part, your software part having some limitations are there. So there is a progress in, you have to remove this errors is there, you have to remove these limitations are there, so you have to minimize the limitations are there, and advanced version will be created is there. So these are the limitations of your 8051 is there. You are using the ending operation, you are using the logical operations, you must use the accumulator is there. So this is a limitations of 8051. If anybody asks the limitations of 8051, what is the limitations? We have to use the ending and ORing, we have to use the accumulator is there. Okay, suppose you have to rotate. In your word, you can say there is a rotate option is there. Have you seen the rotate operation? If there is a, if you scan the image and if the image is not in left side, right side, then you have to rotate the image, then you can see in good manner, or you can जे काय सरळ आपण करण्यासाठी जे काय वापरतो त्यासाठी आपण काय रोटेट वापरतो. नुसतं आपण क्लिक करतो की लगेच होतो, पण इट्स व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट टू गिव्ह द कमांड्स रोटेट द व्हॅल्यूज आर देअर. यू हॅव टू मूव द ईच अँड एव्हरी पिक्सेल्स इन टू द राईट साइड. प्रत्येक पिक्सेल आपलं काय करावं लागतं, मूव्ह करावं लागतं. ठीक आहे, मग ह्याच्यामध्ये रोटेट इन्स्ट्रक्शन असेल, इफ यू रोटेट इन्स्ट्रक्शन असेल किंवा कुठली एंडिंग इन्स्ट्रक्शन असेल तर आपलं ती कशी रिलेटेड करावं, these instructions are related to accumulator. So please remember this thing. That's why I'm giving the how the Keil software is give the error for such a instructions are there. So these are the instructions are invalid registers. And then if I'm changing this register with the A is there and save this program, and if I'm done this program, you will get no error is there. See, the error is not present, so your program is right because you are using accumulator to do such a logical operations are there. Okay, you can understand. So these are the instructions for related ending is there. So if I'm going to change the program, see the output will be right or wrong, or our logic is right or wrong is there. If I'm giving here, I'm giving 11 is there. Okay, I'm giving 3, 31 is okay. So how to write down 31 is there. 31 means 0 0 1 1. Okay, this is 31 is there. Okay, so what is the output is, this is 1 1 is 1. Okay, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0, this 0 is same. Here is 1 0 is again 0, but here 1 1, so you have to replace this with 1 is there. You have to replace this 1 is there, and then here is the 0 0 0. So your answer is, what is the answer? Your answer is 2 1. Your answer is 2 1. Just check our logic is right or not by using a program is there. So first, when you start doing the program, first paperwork. You do the paperwork is there. If you write the program, what will happen if I am giving this instruction to 8051? What is the output there? So by my logic is there, when I am doing this as a program, my logic on paper is 21. So must be he given the answer is the 21 is there. So see, let's check this answer. 31 and 21 is there. Just I'm going to change here. I'm giving 31 is there and 21 is there. So save this program, build this program. Okay, then debug this program. Okay, so first A is contain a, see 31 is coming to the A is there, then B is contain a value of 21 is there. Okay, then after this instruction A will be replaced with the 21 is there. Okay, A is replaced with 21. So our answer, our logic is right, which are doing on paper, this logic is right is there. So okay, you understand this logic is right is there. Again, I'm doing the instruction of next instruction which are given logically, instruction in your manual is there. Next is the, you are using the ORL. ORL means that or operations are there. ORL means or operations are there. The next instruction, okay, next is we'll discuss afterwards. So this is given or instruction means what? Just I'm changing and giving the logic is there, or what is the answer is there. Here I'm giving instruction A means and I'm giving OR is there. ORL is there. Okay, ORL is there. ORL logic is there. See what is the logic of ORL is there? A plus B is there. Logic is A plus B is there. 0 0 1. But here you will get the 1 is there. Here you will get the 1 is there. Okay. When 0 0 you will get answer is 0. But there is a 1 0 or 0 then you will get it. So here see the 1 1 you will get answer is 1. 0 0 is the same answer is there. But here 1 0 you have to replace with 1 is there. You are replaced with 1 is there. So your answer will be changed by using this instruction is 3 1. Your answer will be changed by using this instruction is a 3 1 is there. When I am giving this ORL A comma R1 from this lecture, this program, then your answer will be get is 3 1. Your answer will be get is 3 1. Your answer is 3 1. See. Just save this program, then build this program. See target is 0, answer is right. Then go to the debug, start and stop debug. Okay. So see this step by step. You will get 31 into the accumulator, 21 in register R1 is there. After that, what is the value of the accumulator is? Our logic is answer is 31. Our logic is 31. So you can say same answer will be getting 31 change. So थोड़ा change करो यार. क्या होता है आपका आंसर तेज है 31 is present in the accumulator, but I want to change the answer is there. Again answer will be 31 is there. Okay, 1 1 is 1. See, when I'm giving 3020, your answer is the 30 is there. Okay. Stick different is 35. 35 means what now to do? 101. 1. कुठले 35 and 100 कुठलं हा आपण कसे 35 घेतली व्हॅल्यू 35 बरोबर आहे ना 35 इकडचं 3 हे 5 ना हे 3 दिस इज 3 हे 3 आहे आणि हा किती आपला 5 आहे कुठे 1 0 it is 4 0 1 2 कसं लॉजिक असतं माहिती आहे ना 2⁻³ म्हणजे 8 4 2 1 असं असतं 8 4 2 1 असतं 8 4 2 1 so this is the 4 8 4 2 1 is logic is there say 8 4 2 1 means it is the काय ते 4 आहे ना हे 4 आणि हे 1 म्हणजे किती झालं 5 चा बरोबर 8 4 2 1 logic is there 8421 logic is there. Okay. त्यामुळे ते आपलं 05. ओके, बरोबर आहे ना. 05 म्हणजे 35 आणि 10 इज देअर. जर काय नसेल तर प्लीज करेक्ट करत जावा. प्रॅक्टिकल सेशन आहे. इफ एनी जर नसेल तर सांगत जावा की चेंज करा म्हणून. सो दिस इज 05 इज देअर. ओके, then 11 is here is the 1, here is the 1, here is the 1, here is the 1. Again the value of the 35 is there. Okay, means what will happen, see what is the logic is there. Here is the, I'm giving 1 0 is there, no? 1 and 0 is there. Here is the 0, here is the 0, so you will get answer is 0 0 0 1. Here is 1, your answer is 35. Okay, some logic is developed is there. If you have to huh? आपण इथं इथं आपण 21 ची, मी 10 घेतलं, चेंज केले, 10 केले, इथे मी 10 केले. ठीक आहे, समजलं. इफ यू हॅव टू एंडिंग विथ 10 with any number, the number will be there is there. This logic is developed is there. So if I am going to change the number, if I am giving here is 4 5 is there, if I am giving a or 55 is there, 55 is there, what will happen? So by using, you can, by using this statement, you can say that if you are to ending with any number with 10, you are ending with any number with 10, you will get the number itself is there. So this is logic is developed. हे आपलं एक उत्तर मिळालं. हे मला पण तसं काय करायचं नव्हतं. Just I have to change the answer is there. But here is the answer is the same is there. If I am giving 1 5 is there, then you will change the answer is there. Same number is the 1 5. Okay, so this is the ending is there. Same number we will get. So that's why they are taking the number is, they are taking the number is 0 1 and 2 1 is there. So you will get answer is 0 1. Okay, answer is the 0 1 is there. Okay, next is the ORL is there. The next program, logical NAND operation. Logical NAND operation. आता see what is the, you have to do the logical NAND operation. आता हे तुम्ही जरा व्यवस्थित बघा, because we don't have the command to do the NAND operation is there. आपल्याकडे कुठलीही कमांड नाही NAND operation. Okay, see in your previous instructions, for previous program, what we have to do, we have to do the instructions by using ORL instruction and XRL instruction. ORL instruction and XRL instruction is there. But here, when you are using the NAND operation, NAND operations, we don't have the, which one, we don't have the any instructions, because how many instructions we have logic, the PPT तर नाही माझ्या, आपल्याकडे 3च instructions आहेत बघा लॉजिक. एक तर आहे ORL एक आहे इन्स्ट्रक्शन आपल्याकडे, ANL एक इन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे आणि XRL एक इन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे. अंडरस्टूड? आपल्याकडे ORL इन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे, ANL इन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे आणि XRL म्हणजे XOR इन्स्ट्रक्शन आहे. NAND ऑपरेला करायची तशी इन्स्ट्रक्शन आपल्या 8051 मध्ये अवेलेबल नाही. मग आपला प्रोग्राम आलाय की डॉ द लॉजिकल NAND ऑपरेशन ऑफ द 2 नंबर्स, 2 नंबरवरती आपलं NAND ऑपरेशन करा. आता NANड ऑपरेशन म्हणजे काय, आपलं आउटपुट काय आला पाहिजे बघा. NANडचं काय असतं तुम्हाला दाखवतो इथं. हे दोन्ही असतं बरं का, ह्याला बार असतो. तर मी कंसामध्ये काय टाकतो, बार टाकतो. यू विल गेट द बार इज देअर. म्हणजेच NANड मीन्स नॉट A प्लस, हिअर इज A into B आणि त्याचा बार असतो. मीन्स A into B and you have to, bar means what, you have to reciprocate, you have to give the complement of that number is there. Suppose 0 is 0, what is the multiplication of 0 0 is 0, but you have to complement means it will be go to the 1 is there. Then 0 1 NANDing, NAND operation, AND operation is 0 0 1 is 0, and then you have to complement this 1 0, you will get the 0, you have to get the complement 1 is there. and then 1 1, you will get 1, but output is 0 is there. Okay, so what we have to do, the logic is there. First you have to add the two numbers, and means you have to multiply these two numbers and you have to make the complement of that number. This logic is we have to use in the pro. Logic means what? Anybody says these are the two numbers, suppose 0 5 and 0 3, or here is giving 0 1 and 2 1 are the two numbers, and I want to do the NAND operation on two numbers. And what we have to do? By using 8051. If anybody asks this question, then what we have to do? Your first thinking is the what are the instructions, logical instructions are present in your 8051? No, you don't have any instructions related to your NAND operation is there. Then think that what NAND operation is doing. NAND operation मध्ये नक्की काय होतं? NAND operation मध्ये नक्की काय होतं हे आपण आधी बघितलं पाहिजे. So for that we have this is A into B bar is called the Boolean expression is there. This Boolean expression for the NAND operation is there. These are the Boolean expression for the NAND operation is there. So A into B and then complement is there. So this is the logic we have to use in your program is there. So first you think what are the instructions? You have the AND instruction. Okay, we have an AND instruction is there. So here we have to use the AND instruction is there. Understood? This AND instruction is there. You have to AND the value present in accumulator R1. After this ANDing, what we have to do? Complement that number. Then you will get the answer. Here what we are doing? I am doing A into B, multiply this number, and then complement of that number, you will get answer is 1 is there. So A and B are the two different numbers. We suppose A is contain value of 0 1, B is contain value of 21 is there. Then first you have to multiply these two numbers by using which operation? By ANDing. You are not multiply that number, you have to ANDing that number. Understood that multiplication and ANDing are the different things are there. Multiplication means what? You have to hex multiplication or binary multiplication is done, but here is not multiplication is doing. You have to ANDing these two numbers. A into B means here is not multiplication, you have to AND these two numbers. And after ANDing these two numbers, you have to complement that number, then you will get the answer is there. You have to complement of this number, then you will get the answer is there. This is the logic. You have to think that and then write the program in your 8051. So what is the first thinking is there? First, you have to see the limitations of 8051, then check how NAND operation will be work in your digital techniques are there. And then by using this, check your answer is right or wrong is there. Okay, to see the program, this is starting address is there. There is no need of this. First two lines are the same. Move A 0, 1 and R1 is 21 is there. Then next you have to ANDing this. ANDing means what? You have to A into B. Here I am doing the ANDing of these two numbers. So here I am A and L means ANDing of A, R1 is there. Perform the AND operation between accumulator and R1. Perform the AND operation between accumulator and R1. Accumulator is contain value of 0 1 and R1 is contain value of 21 is there. You have to what we have to ANDing these two numbers. First you have to ANDing these two numbers, and after that you have to complement the whole result. See, the result is present in accumulator. Result is present in accumulator, and complement that result. The result present in accumulator will complement, then you will get the NAND operation between these two numbers are there. So this result will be stored into the R2 is there. Understood? So how to logic develop? समजलं कसं आपण logic develop केलं? काय करायचं? पहिल्यांदा ते दोन नंबर एक accumulator मध्ये घ्यायचा, दुसरा R1 मध्ये घ्यायचा. आपल्याला ANDing करायचं पहिल्यांदा. आपल्याकडे NAND गेट साठी कुठलेही इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स प्रेझेंट नाहीये. कुठली इन्स्ट्रक्शन आपल्याला NAND साठी अवेलेबल नाहीये. देयर इज नो इन्स्ट्रक्शन फॉर युअर NAND operations are there. So first you have to AND these two numbers and then complement of the result, then you will get the answer. Again, complement with the accumulator is there. There is no complement with the other registers. So this is the limitation of 8051. So you have to complement them with the accumulator is there, and then you transfer the accumulator into the R2 is the another register where you have to store the result is there. So just we have to check this number. The answer is there. Control C. So this is the program is there. This time save this program, debug the program is okay. There is no errors are there, 7 codes are there. So see F11 is there. So accumulators contain, sorry, just go to the debug and start and stop. Okay, so first F11 A will be 0 1, B will, sorry, R1 will be 21, R1 will be 21. Then by using ANDing, what is the answer? Answer is the 0 1 is there, not 21. Answer is 0 1 is there, so it is present in the accumulator is there, and you have to complement the accumulator. What will be answer is F0, I think. No, F0, no, E0. Answer is E0 is there. Okay, answer is E is there. Okay, 0 is the answer is there. बरोबर आहे ना? आणि दिला असला आपण चेक करूयात. Answer is DEH is there. Answer is DE. आपला आन्सर काय आलाय? FE. Answer is, our answer is FE. Here answer is DE. Oh no, okay, where is the आपण इथे त्यांचं आलेलं आहे FE, then FH सगळे आपण चेक करूया आपल्या लॉजिक चेक करू त्याचे काय. ठीक आहे, just check here. What is the 0 1 is there? So 0 0 0 1 is there, 0 0 0 1 is there. Okay, 0 1 2 is 0 0 1 0 and 1 is 0 0 0 1 is there. Okay, so what is the first? You have to take the ANDing is there. For ANDing, AND साठी काय आपल्याला बघा. See, for after this ANDing, what is the result is there? ANDing, result of ANDing is there. See, here is 0 0 0 0 again 0 0 0 1. बरोबर, ANDing तर होईल काय होईल? 1 1 becomes 1 is there, 0 0 becomes 0. After that you have to complement this. After that you have to complement this. What is the answer is 1 1 1. Okay, this is 1, then 1 1 1 0. So what is the value? Sorry, the 1 is remaining, this 1 is there. So what is the value? This is the value of the E is there. Proper enough, it is the value of E. So your answer is 0 is there. Answer is 0 E, or you can say E is the answer is there. कळालं ना? बरोबर ना? E answer येईल ना? Understood? समज this is the answer is the E is there. Your answer is E is there. Okay, so this is the logic of this number is there. So you'll get answer is the E is there. So your answer is the E is there. कळालं काय problems? समजलं का? Your answer is E, and your here you will get answer is the E is there. Your answer is the E is there. Okay, समजलं? Do you have any difficulties? ठीक आहे, काय प्रॉब्लेम असेल तर विचारा. देन आय विल जस्ट नेक्स्ट